So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can transfer money from Revolut into another bank account. So it's nice and easy to do. First things first is you want to open up the Revolut app to this page here, and then click on the payments option at the bottom here. Then once you're on the payment section, you just want to click on the plus option at the top here. And then it should open you up to this page here. So to transfer money to a bank account, you just want to click on the bank option here. And then once you've done that, you'll then just need to enter the bank details of the bank account that you want to transfer money to. Now, this option can vary depending on which country you're transferring money to. So for example, myself, I'm from the UK, so naturally it will ask for a sort code and account number of the bank account that you want to transfer money to. However, if you're from another country, you can change the country that you're sending money to at the top here. So for example, if you're transferring money to a US bank account, then it will obviously ask you for your account number and ACH number. And if it's a European one, most likely an IBAN number. But no matter which country it is, you'll just want to enter the bank account details that you want to send the money to. And then once you've done that, it will then confirm if those details do match. So if they don't, you might want to give them a double check. But if they do, you can go ahead and press confirm. Then for this part, you just want to confirm on how much money you want to send. So for this example, we'll say £5. Then finally, it will just ask you to review the transfer, so make sure all the details are correct before confirming. And if you're happy to confirm, go ahead and press send. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.